Heavy snow is gone, but now comes the bitter cold.
And it's going to get very cold very quickly over the coming days. Dangerously cold in some time periods when we're talking wind chills 30, 35 below.
Ooh,
very
yeah.
cold air is going to be making its way in soon. But we still have a little bit of lingering snow out there. You can see that widespread accumulating snow that we had earlier is now off to our east, exiting Metro Detroit right now, back to the west. Another little bit of snow trying to move in. We are also seeing temperatures in some spots close to that freezing point, so there is a possibility that there could be a little bit of drizzle mixing in as well. But overnight tonight, we are expecting a little bit more snow like this to continue to move through. And as I mentioned, at times there could be a little bit of drizzle mixed in for the next hour or two overnight. As numbers fall, this will all just add up to a little bit of coating, maybe a ½ inch on the ground. Here's a live look at Michigan State University, and you can see that the roads are improving some, but there's still some snow out there, so use caution if you have any plans to be out this evening. If you don't have to go out, just stay inside and stay warm. Again, down near the state line, we're hovering at or even above freezing. North of 96, we're seeing numbers down in the teens. 14 Ionia, 17 right now in St. John's. You factor in that wind, it feels like 3 right now in Alma. 16 is the current wind chill in Charlotte. 25 is what it feels like right now in Mason. With that bitter cold in place over the coming days, wind chill warnings and wind chill watches out through Thursday. Along 127 is that wind chill warning. Further east is that wind chill watch. The bottom line, it's going to be dangerously cold come Wednesday and Thursday especially. The snow that we have out there right now, again, is just some lingering moisture with this area of low pressure. But over the coming days, we're going to see some lake effect bands set up as we have that flow coming in off Lake Michigan. And with that, winter storm warnings continue until 1 p.m. on Thursday for those counties in the pink shade, mainly west of Lansing and west of 127. Further east, winter weather advisory that continues here for just a little bit longer. We'll see what the National Weather Service does when that expires. So future track is going to hang on to a couple of lingering snow showers at times this evening, maybe a few overnight tonight. But overnight, I think that we'll start to see more dry time, a chance for the plows to really catch up on the roads. Now tomorrow, if those back roads aren't plowed, school closings could once again be at a high number. We will certainly have those for you online and here starting at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. But as we progress throughout your Tuesday, we're going to see that lake effect machine fire up once again. Here's 6 p.m. and you can see these bands of lake effect snow showers continuing to give way to some accumulation. Not everybody sees this snow. I think further west you go, the better chance that you'll have. But the bottom line is we have this for both parts of Tuesday and for Wednesday. So here's breaking down what we're tracking over the coming days. Tonight, blowing and drifting snow will be an issue. Following that, the bitter cold settles in. And then early next week, come Sunday and Monday, comes the chance for some rain, snow, maybe some ice mixing in as well. You'll see it coming up in the 7-day. So some snow overnight tonight. We're falling close to single digits. I think that we'll stay just above that by daybreak, but it's still going to be very cold and breezy out there with wind chills well below 0. Tomorrow, topping out near 11 early on, then falling for the rest of the day with some of that lake effect snow. We're going to hang on to that chance for some lake effect snow come Wednesday and Thursday. Bitterly cold Wednesday, 2 below for a high. That's when we'll see wind chills at 30, 35 below. Wow. Rain and snow and some ice early next week. So a lot going on over the coming days, but the bottom line is stay warm. It's going to be dangerously cold.
Stay inside if you can. All right, Brett, thank you.